The vertices of triangle PQR have coordinates of 2, 3, 3, 8, and 7, 3, under which transformation of PQR, triangle PQR, are distance and angle measures preserved. So the transformations that will preserve distance and angle measures are that of rigid motions. And what are rigid motions? So rigid motions are reflections, rotations, and translations. The transformation that will not preserve distance and angle measure is that of a dilation. So I'm going to write that over here. A dilation will not preserve distance. So because it won't preserve distance, then this is not a rigid motion, because in order for something to be a rigid motion, the image and the object are supposed to be able to map onto one another. And how do we identify whether a dilation has been applied, right? A dilation is applied usually after some kind of after multiplying the coordinates by some factor. So applied after multiplying xy coordinates by some factor other than 1 or negative 1. Hold on. Other than 1 or negative 1. So if you look at this, let's say in option 1, okay, we're multiplying the x and y coordinates by some factors other than 1 or negative 1. So option 1 will definitely not work, because that is going to, the original image is going to be dilated by something, by some factor. Even though the x coordinate in the second option there, we're not multiplying anything, we are undergoing some multiplication by a factor of 3 with the y coordinate. So option 2 is not. That will still the image will still be dilated. Same thing could be said about option 3. The x coordinate is being multiplied by a factor of 2, even though the y coordinate didn't go through a dilation. So the only one that actually works is option 4. So option 4 appears to be a translation. We are translating the object 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So that would be option 4, where both the distance and angle measures are preserved.